So this is an average just street over here in Cebu, Philippines, bro. This is like just normal walking around. It's pretty safe. Everybody's just going about their business. You know, of course you gotta have, be safe anywhere you go, but for the most part, Cebu, Philippines, it's pretty cool. Of course, the people are not as nice as Bali, but the temperature's about the same. Another interesting aspect is that Bali is cheaper, which is, hello, what y'all making, some chicken? Oh, that's gonna be good. So yeah, it's the same deal, bro. But the infrastructure here in Cebu is a lot better than Bali. So look at that clean road. There's not even trash. I mean, there's no trash here at all. This is selling pots and pans. I don't know what they doing over here, actually. Steering something up? Okay. Hey, what's up, buddy? See here relaxing. It's normal. This is when they drying the clothes. Look at that, buddy. What's going on? Hey, stay real. Oh, I like that beard. That's nice. Ladies love that shit. Ladies love it, bro. And let's see here. They got a dog over here. He's just chilling out. Mass, But for the most part, it's safe over here. People just going about their business. How y'all doing? I like that shirt. It's nice. Let's take a look here. What y'all got over here? Got a little convenience store right here, bro. Wait, hold on. Oh, that's just ramen noodles. So people stop here, maybe get them some noodles. They got a burger here for $1. He's got a nice motorcycle. Damn, that's a new one.
That's an old one.
They look good though. You keep it sharp. Look at that. He got the muffler on there too. That's nice. I don't know what these little things are. What is this? Like a little washer or something? Maybe water? Oh, water. I didn't know what that was. So you just put the money in there, you get you some water.
Yes.
Everything costs money, baby.
Yeah.
You
Like that.
put it like that and you get your drink. Ooh, is it good? All right. So you get you some water, then you get the chicken. Had the fried chicken and the water. What's up, buddies? How y'all doing? Everything good? Y'all making like colors or something? How y'all doing? Hey, stay real. Keep studying. Let's see what's going on over here. You come over here. It's got a nice little cold brew, ice cold brew coffee. No, that ain't bad price too. That's why I say just come walk over here because you can meet some. How y'all doing, man? They got a little something going on over here. Everybody's cool. How y'all doing? Hello. I like that shirt. Damn, that is nice. I like that. That boy is styling. Just here chilling. Oh, they got the food over here. Here goes the food. So you can just come down here. Sometimes you get lucky. This is fresh food. Ooh. Uh-oh. You gotta watch truck. What's on, buddy? I like that mustache. Look a little Mexican, didn't he? Oh, she got everything. She got the shrimp and everything. I gotta come over here. Look at that. She put the shrimp in here. Then she got the noodles. So I can come get the shrimp. And then I get the noodles on top. And then I get a banana. Probably a good price, too. Is this lady Filipino? You Filipino? Why are you making noise? I'm over here trying to vlog. Look at that, dude. Hello. You gotta be nice. You cannot show too much. Well, you cannot show fear with dogs. You never know with a random dog. Bali dogs are a little bit more crazier, I don't know why. I guess there's a bunch of them. Anywho, yeah, when you see clothes out here, they just wash the clothes and hang them air dry. He probably bringing some food. Look at that. Hello. Here chilling. Here goes the water thing again. You put the money, you get some water. Hello. Who's that? Hey, little buddy. Hello. He's like, what's going on? So this is Cebu, bro. It's just a regular block. As you can see, it's safe. Now you compare this to Colombia. That Colombia, I couldn't even be going live because people are so, it's dangerous, bro. This is a little bitty convenience store. Check that out. You get you some drink, you get some, they got the coolers in here. They got everything, some chips, soups. These are little houses. These are little bitty houses, a little apartment, bro. This is an apartment. right. Take a look here. I just want to show y'all around. Oh, he got him some coffee. Oh, that's another convenience store. Look, he got the liquor and everything. Here. Oh, got another restaurant. Ooh, they got all the good food too. Oh, you ate all the food, bro. Damn. Botan. You supposed to sell it, not eat it. Okay, all right. Let's take a look here. Oh, that's the water. This must be a water company. People just living, dude. And just having a, it's very safe down here, like I mentioned. People are not as nice as Bali, but still pretty nice. So we got a scale of 1 to 10, all right? Damn, there goes that rooster. That rooster woke me up, dude. Bark, 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 bark. Oh, that's one thing when you come to Asia, roosters are like pets. They're like dogs to Americans. So, oh, look, he got a little rope on him. Look, that boy's got a leash on the rope. Look, look, look. Bark, bark. That boy's got a roost. Bark, that boy got a roost. Look at that. You fat too. Who's this dude? Oh, it scared me. I don't know what was going on. You always got to watch your back. You never know. Never, ever, ever you just got to be careful with your surroundings at all times. No matter what country you in. But there are levels. Of course, Colombia is the highest one. That's where you're like, oh, you got to be on point. Oh, man. I made it there 5 years and never been robbed. They tried many, many, many times, but I spotted them. This guy got his shorts too short. How you doing, brother? Hello. Just washing clothes and you look like an apartment complex or something. Hold on. I don't know, maybe he forgot something. I don't know. You gotta be careful. I don't know what's happening. Oh, you gotta shut the gate. Makes sense. Hope I'm going the right way.